Don't let the number on the scale be the reason that you quit your goal this year. If you've nearly made it through January, I'd hate for you to get thrown off your fat loss progress so far just because you stepped on the scale this weekend and you've been disappointed by the number you've seen. Perhaps you were expecting to be a kilo or two down from where you are, but your body weight can easily swing a kilo or two across the day. For example, this morning I ran a little experiment. I stepped on the scales and I weighed this much, 101 kilos. Then 10 minutes later I stepped on the scale again and my weight had changed to this, 99.5 kilos. Now I wish this next bit was me telling you how you can lose a kilo and a half of fat in 10 minutes. But let's just say I had a couple of early morning coffees and it's probably best we leave it there. Anyway, I digress. Say this was you and your goal was to get below 100 kilos. Maybe last week you weighed in at 101. So when you weighed in today and saw 101 on that scale again, you'd probably be feeling a bit disappointed. Thoughts of, fuck's sake, another week's gone by and no change. When in actual fact, in this scenario, had you weighed yourself 10 minutes later, you'd be looking at the scale being like, get in, I've already made my 100 kilo goal and it's still January. So if a similar thing to this has happened to you in the past or even this month so far, here's a couple of things I want you to bear in mind when you do go to weigh yourself. You should aim to weigh yourself at a similar time of day under the same conditions, and you can look back at the last couple of days and maybe give yourself an average, because it's important to remember a sudden jump doesn't necessarily mean a loss of progress. It could just mean that you're full of food, for some reason your body's holding more water weight, or like me this morning, you just need a massive